The main American share index, the S&P 500, went above 5,500 last night for the first time, with Tesla up 10% because sales of its cars fell less than expected. The S&P 500 has gone up 15% this year, but it's almost entirely about AI, artificial intelligence. It used to be the Magnificent Seven tech stocks, but now it's just really three of them. The ones that do AI: Alphabet, Microsoft and Nvidia. The other four are up less than half of those three, and the rest of the S&P 500, the 493, are up less than 10%, and the rest of the world just 5%. The Aussie market is up 2% year to date, including 0.3% today. Listed online bookseller Booktopia collapsed into administration today, 4 years after listing at $2.30 per share in the middle of the pandemic, from which it never recovered. The shares are frozen at 4.5 cents, down 97% from the float price. Speaking of collapses, ASX reported today that 2,832 construction businesses went bust in the year to June, a rise of 33% on the previous year and more than double 2022. No wonder there aren't enough houses being built. Most commodities went down last night, and the Aussie dollar sprang back to 66.7 US cents. Now, the ABS came out with May retail sales today, up 0.6%, about twice what was expected, and continuing a gradual rising trend that's been going on for 2 years. But when you look at per person real retail spending, that is after inflation, you get an entirely different picture. The only reasons retail sales are rising and retailers aren't all going the way of Booktopia is because prices are up and, most importantly, immigration has been booming. And that's finance.